Hi, welcome to Emini Tuts. That's educational mini tutorials here to help you with your child's learning. This Emini Tut is called Writing Creative Composition, and in this Emini Tut you are going to be shown how you could take very simple resources that you could find lying around the house. A few you might have to buy, but it's taking a resource, a stimulus for your child to inspire them with ways to write creatively. And in that process, you will help them to not only notice, but just develop the way that they write. So that's up-leveling their vocab, up-leveling their words and adjectives. That's being more dramatic with the way that they punctuate to make their writing exciting. And that's, developing their ideas by including conjunctions. As with all the other previous videos, I would suggest that you download and print off all the available PDFs that accompany this video before moving on.